What up, everybody? I'm here today to show you guys a video on how to install your Speed Turtle on a 2021 Dodge Challenger. So basically, I'm just going to give you guys a quick walkthrough on how to take everything apart, where to find, which screws you need to take out, and how to install it, what I did to get it in there, and how to get it to go through the bypass, because this is not plug and play for the newer models. The older ones are plug and play, and so I'm gonna give you guys a video on how to get to the bypass and get the bypass connector installed. So let's get started. So I just want to throw out as well, they do add this instruction card to help you. You just scan that and it brings you right to the website where it gives you a step-by-step. It helps, but I always know the videos. I did look for one, I couldn't find any, but I know the videos help a lot better to see it being done. And this is on a 2021 Dodge Challenger. So let's get started. So first thing you want to do is use a very small flathead. You're going to want to get in between here and very carefully push it out. You're going to hear a bunch of clicking noises, and you're going to want to do it all the way around to the bottom. Get in there, push it out. Don't be afraid to get in there, and but just be careful so you're not scratching up your nice new car. So after you get that all popped and loose, as you can see, it's all loosed all the way around. The best way to get it out is you loosen that, pull this all the way down and out towards you. Give yourself as much room as to get it out, and just pull it out like so. Boom, just comes out like that. Okay, and that's what you're going to be left with after you take this part out. Very easy. As you can see, there's the clips on the back. You got multiple of them all the way around. But yeah, so that's our next step. Our next step right here is going to take off the 4 screws. I have a impact and the Phillips. So I'm going to go ahead and take that out, and we'll go to the next step after that. After you got the screws undone, the 4 screws, you just pull this part out. It comes right out. Careful, it is connected, so don't yank it out. Your next spot that you're gonna be into is down there. You can't really see it at the moment. You see that little black module. I'm gonna turn the flashlight on here real quick. So in the instructions, it wants you to undo the 3 screws to pull that up and out so you can unplug the cords here in the back. I've already have it installed into the, where is it? The bypass connector. So it wants these 2 to come out of the back of that. So instead of undoing it, what I did was held my finger down on the release clip here in the back and used this real big thick flathead and kind of used that, carefully pushed it so it would kind of push it out instead of having to disconnect that, because I didn't have the tools to get in there to remove those. It's kind of a pain in the ass if you don't have the tools. So just use a screwdriver to carefully push it out while holding down the release clip. And I noticed after you released one of them, you were able to get your hand back there and undo the other one by hand. So that's what I found the easiest. But after you unclip those, you take the 2 that you unplugged and you plug it into the bypass that Speed Turtle sends you. Very easy. One's big, one's small, so you know right where to plug it in. It's very easy. Make sure it clips all the way in, and you're literally done. You can now use your plug and play. And let's go ahead and put everything back together and show you the next step. So it's very easy. All you have to do from here is plug in your Speed Turtle module into the OBD connector. As soon as it plugs in, you will see you have some kind of power. Mine came with a toggle switch and off and on. So in order to get that to work, you have to plug it into the side. Very easy, kind of self-explanatory. It's also in the instructions. From that step, you power on your car. Okay. After your car is powered on, for a first time, connectors, mine's already been connected, so it's already all set and works. But for those that is its first time, you have to give it a minute to do its check and make sure everything was done correctly. Everything, no trouble, no troubleshooting, errors. It should be good to go if you followed those instructions. After a minute goes by, you will see a flashing green light, which means it's all in normal mode and it's ready to go. If the blue's flashing, that means it's got some issues if it's off. Now, when it's on, you press the button on, you notice the light starts flashing. That means your lights are flashing. Let's go check it out. So there you go. There's the final results right there. You have all your front lights flashing. Looks nice. Different. Not everyone has something like that. I like it. Looks good. Kind of cool and crazy. So not only you get your front lights to flash, you can walk around back here. You get your rear to flash as well. Kind of cool, different.